In this video, we'll try to understand what are greatest common divisors or GCD, also known as highest common factors or HCF. No board, no writing, just using your imagination. So let's try to understand it from the name itself, greatest common divisor. That means if you take two numbers, which is the greatest common divisor of these two numbers? Let's take an example. Let's take the numbers 4 and 6. Let's check what are the divisors of 4. That means what are the numbers that can divide 4 without leaving any remainder. So we know the divisors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. Keep that in mind. And what about 6? The divisors of 6, that means the numbers which can divide 6 without leaving any reminders are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So we get 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now between these two sets that we got, which are the common numbers that we have? We have 1 obviously, then we have 2, and are there any other common numbers? No, only 1 and 2. Now between these, which is the greatest one? It is 2. That means 2 is the greatest common divisor of the numbers 4 and 6. So GCD of 4 and 6 is 2. Okay, let's take one more example. Let's take 6 and 12. So what are the divisors of 6? We already said the divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now what are the divisors of 12? For 12 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now which are the common numbers that we get in both these sets? So we have 1 obviously, we have 2, we have 3 and then we have 6. Now which is the greatest among these? It is 6. So the greatest common divisor or the highest common factor of 6 and 12 is 6. Okay, now let me take one more last example. What about 3 and 5? Which are the numbers that can divide 3? It's only 1 and 3. And what about 5? 5 also, it is just 1 and 5. So what are the common ones? The only common ones we get is 1. And did you notice one thing? 3 and 5 are both prime numbers. So if you try to take the GCD or HCF of any prime numbers, it will always be 1.